Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. Let's explore together. Everyday objects. Ball, table, chair, cup, book, pencil, hat, bag. Animals. Dog, cat, bird, fish, elephant, lion, rabbit, butterfly, food, apple, banana, bread, cake, milk, cheese, carrot, ice cream, nature, sun, moon, star, cloud, river, mountain, flower, tree, vehicles, car, bus, train, bicycle, boat, airplane, truck, scooter. People and professions. Boy, girl, teacher, doctor, firefighter, farmer, chef, police officer, body parts, head, eyes, nose, mouth, feet, ears, hair, hands. Wow, we learned that nouns are names of people, animals, places, and things. Now, can you find a noun around you? Yay, you're so smart! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.